What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I'm finally going to be drawing the names of the two winners for my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. There are two knives to give away. The first one is the Gonzo FH41, and the second is the Best Deck Lion. I'm going to be using random.org today. As you guys can see here, if I can zoom in, there were actually 197 entries. If you missed this, basically what I did is I opened it up to everybody. Whether you're a subscriber or not, whether you're a patron or not, doesn't matter. All you had to do was leave a comment letting me know what your favorite knife was of 2019 under that video, and I had 197 comments. So what I'm going to do is hit generate for the first one, and for the first one we're going to be counting from the bottom up. Any duplicate comments will be ignored, that way it's fair. For the second one, I'll be counting from the top down, so that way it's truly random. This site is 100% random. Just remember, if you win, you do have to be at least 18 years of age. You do have to be able to provide me with an address inside the continental United States. If neither of those things are, if you're not 18 or you can't provide me with an address, then, I'm going to have to pick a different winner. But basically, before this video goes up, I will send you a message letting you know that you're the winner. You'll just need to email me at metalcomplex87@gmail.com. That's all you need to do. So let's go ahead and generate the winner for the Gonzo FH41. 67. So I'll be right back. I'm going to check my phone and get the 67th comment and let you guys know who that was. Okay, guys, we have a winner. I wonder if I can zoom up here. I can't really, so I'm going to have to close that out there so that we're not looking at that, and I'm just going to pick it up and show you guys. The winner is Bad Monkey EDC. I'm loving the Medford Swift and the Spyderco Native Chief. Hey, two good picks. You have won the Gonzo FH41. Mr. Bad Monkey EDC, hopefully you're watching this. Go ahead and shoot me an email at metalcomplex87@gmail.com, and we'll make sure that we get you all squared away there. So we're going to go ahead and hit the next random number, and this time, remember, that time I was counting from the bottom up. This time I'm going to count from the top down. And again, don't worry about duplicates. I skip them when I see them. So anyways, let's go ahead and hit the next number here. The number is 63. Okay, so I'll be right back with the 63rd comment from the top down, and we'll let you know who won the Best Deck Lion. Okay, and we have the winner here. I'm going to go ahead and just pick the iPad up so everybody can see. Chris H, congrats on 3K. Favorite so far is the Para 3 Lightweight. Hey, good choice. I haven't handled that yet, but I know how much a lot of people like that, so I think that's great. So congratulations to the winners. Again, make sure you email me at metalcomplex87@gmail.com. These two winners will have, I will have, tried to contact them through the comments sections well before this video actually goes up. In any case, guys, thank you so much for participating. Remember, we do still have the 50 Patreon giveaway knife. That's the Mass Drop Mordax. I'm at 22 patrons right now. As soon as we hit 50 patrons, I'll be opening that up as a giveaway for everybody to enter. You don't have to be a patron. But if you would like to become one, just follow the link in the description and read the bold text on my Patreon that kind of explains everything. You can get a free shout out. Yeah, that'll help me reach my goal, and I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much to everybody who has supported me. Expect more content, expect more giveaways, more cool knife stuff. I love doing this. It's absolutely my passion. So thanks again, everybody. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because, like I said, there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.